Hi there, thank you for watching our demo of the Seasonality Rankings tool. The tool is meant to help you quickly see which assets historically perform the best and the worst for each given calendar month and weekday. In this video, we'll go over an example to show you how you can use this tool to find interesting potential trades based on weekday or monthly seasonality. For this example, we'll say it's the last day of February, and I want to know which assets historically performed the best in March. Here's how this tool could help me see that. First, I would click on March here, since it's the month we're interested in. Now all the data on the table below is related to how stocks and cryptos have historically performed in March. Then I would select how far I want the data that the statistics will be based on to be from. In the case of monthly seasonality, you'd pretty much always want since 2010, as past year would mean that the data is only based on 1 month. Then here you would select the minimum number of historical months that each asset must have to be included in the table below. For example, if I select 5 here, it means that all the stocks and cryptos included must have data for at least 5 past Marches. Now that we have our results, we can sort the list based on whatever is important to us. For this example, I want to see which stocks and cryptos have the highest percentage of positive returns in March. So I'd sort by percentage of positive months here. So CPK looks interesting here, as it's had a positive return in 100% of its last 12 Marches. Now I could click into it and continue my diligence for the stock here. Now I'll quickly go over the columns we haven't touched on yet. So average return is the average return each asset has had for the month of March. Max return month is the highest return the asset has ever had in the month of March. And min return month is the lowest return the asset has ever had in the month of March. And finally, percentage of negative months is simply the percentage of times that the asset has had a negative return for the month of March. If you wanted to see which stocks and cryptos perform the best for each weekday, you would simply click here and see Weekday Seasonality. Then you would select the weekday you're interested in, so let's say Wednesday, and then set the 2 fields here, and then sort based on your preferences. That concludes our seasonality demo. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to message us via our 24/7 live chat or send us a message through our Contact Us section.